Hello everyone, welcome to Princess Jen channel. Comment, like, subscribe.
Hi guys, today I have something to share with you, my early Mother's Day gift. So this is it here. Now you have to guess what's in there before I open it. Ta-da. Can anyone guess what's in this? Well, I'm just going to show you what is inside. So let's open it together. So today here guys, you can see what's in here, my early Mother's Day gift. And this is it. Before further ado, let's open it. So I am going to unbox my new iPhone 14. This is it here. It's in the box, as you could see, and it's also my favorite color. So let's get it out of the box. So it came with this extra card. That's the card here, but it does not have the wall plug. I guess that's how they come lately. But still, I have not taken it off from this back. There we go. My new iPhone 14. And purple, my favorite color. Guys, I had the 12 Pro Max, but it's kind of a little too wide for me. You know, my hands, you know, it's kind of too big to hold all the time. Sometimes my hands get tired. And I decided to go with something smaller. So I have the iPhone 14. So it is telling me hello here. Yeah, as you could see, I'm not set it up. But I will do the setup, and I am going to try to take videos with it later, and then you will see my upcoming videos will be taken from this new iPhone 14. So I am so excited. You know, I love new things, and this is new, so I am going to enjoy my new phone. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And Esther, should I tell them how much I paid for it?
No.
Okay, Esther said I should not say how much I paid for it, because some people might get jealous because I got it for a very good bargain price. So it is really what I wanted at a good bargain price, and it's a Mother's Day gift. Thank you. Later. Bye now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.